how to buy PumpSwap token. Now before we start, this is not natural advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there's a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their community and go and engage with it. Now this token is available on CoinGisco. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Now go to contracts and click here to copy the token address. Now remember, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. Click here on swap, as you can see. Now after that, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet and click here to copy or to paste the token addresses into search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be paid or how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, select the provider by clicking on pricing. Click on provider, select the Jupiter for example, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap, and after that you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buying process. So this is how to buy PumpSwap token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.